everybody, Thelindabradley from Princess House. I have an easy recipe for you tonight that you're just gonna love. It's Friday night, you just got home from work, everybody's hungry, you don't feel like cooking. How about easy peasy chicken quesadillas? And look what I'm cooking them on. This is our brand new double electric griddle. It's incredible, I'm so excited. The coolest part about it is it runs on a plug. It is the same size as a regular double griddle, but what you do is plug it in. You'll notice I'm not in my kitchen, so it can be used anywhere that you have a plug. I think that it's going to come in so handy around the holidays because what's really nice about it is you'll be able to use it on your buffet table and it'll keep all of your foods warm. So I'm going to show you what I'm doing today. I started a little bit earlier and I'm going to tell you how I do my recipe. So with the chicken, what you want to do is go ahead and cut it up in bite-sized pieces and then just season it with some taco seasoning. It all cooks in one pan, so that's the other thing that's nice. You're not making a lot of mess. So go ahead and do that, cook it up for maybe 4 or 5 minutes, and then add in diced onions, red peppers, and then a little bit of garlic. So it's also a good way to get your kids to eat their vegetables. And then what you're going to do is just cook it up, maybe 5-6 minutes until it is all cooked through. Then what you want to do is go ahead. Now I make my quesadillas maybe a little bit different. You're going to take your cheese. I already messed up, didn't put my cheese down first. You're going to take your cheese and you want to try to get it all the way to the edges. I hope you can see this okay. And then you're going to put your chicken on top, then a little bit more cheese. I'm going to try to get it all the way to the edges, and then another quesadilla, or another tortilla shell, I should say. So I'm going to start this one over, because I want to put the cheese down first. I'm telling you, this is such an easy recipe, and your kids will like it, and it'll get them to eat vegetables without even knowing it. You know, they charge like $12 or $15 to get this as an appetizer in Applebee's and other different places like that. You can easily make it yourself. And look, it's all on one pan. So you're gonna let them cook for a little bit and then you'll flip them over and then you can cut them in whatever size you want, all right? So I'm just gonna move all this over so I have plenty of room. You can also actually take it out of the pan. That's why I have another one over here for you. But have you ever made chicken quesadillas for your family? Because it's incredible. And you can add so many different things, whatever you like sauce-wise. I made a spicy mayonnaise that you can then dip them in. And the spicy mayonnaise is 1 cup of mayonnaise. And then it is 1 tablespoon of Frank's hot, or any hot sauce that you have. And then it is 1 teaspoon of lime juice and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. And then you just mix it all up and it's a little bit of a spicy mayonnaise. And this is how easy it is. I think the first ones are almost ready to flip. Let's see.